Hello friends, today in this video I will show you a program keeping crashing easy fix. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. Your whole program will be so crashing and other problems are fixed. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. So firstly you need to click on start now, type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. Now type here csfc space slash scan now SCANNO. Now click on enter and this take a few minutes, so this processor will be completed 100%. Now close it and restart your PC, or after restart or your problem will be not fixed. So one method. Firstly you need to click on start now, type system advanced system settings. Now type advanced settings. Advanced system settings. You see this view advanced system settings. Click on it. Now you see that advanced. You see this performance. Click on settings. Now you see this last option, data. You see color this option. Now need to please select this second option. Now need to click on add. Now you need to click on this source, this file. Now program file, open it. Now need to select this window empty. Now click on open and cancel and click on apply, OK, and close it all windows and restart your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.